Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Knowledge Base. I'm always very happy when you join my YouTube channel just to learn, to increase your knowledge, to increase your understanding, and most especially to make your YouTube, to make your social media, to make your Facebook, your Instagram, your Snapchat, your TikTok a much more appealing platform. And in this case, we are looking at bad AI. And bad AI, just remember, bad AI is a free YouTube, it's a free tool. It's a free artificial intelligence tool created by Google. And it's so amazing on how you can get all that you need using bad AI. And in this case, we would like to see where we can use bad AI, most especially on creating our SEO tags. SEO tags means the search optimization tags. Search optimization tags, of course, help our YouTube channels to go viral, our YouTube channel to appear in the search engines, our YouTube channels, to make sure they become on top there. And most people have failed to know how to do this. Since you're here, you're going to learn on how best to create search optimized tags for your headline. Let's talk about headline. Remember, before you search for the optimized tags here, we need to have our headline. What is your headline? Okay, let me go and pick maybe a headline. Let me pick a headline, maybe a headline of let's create a headline. Let's talk about a simple headline here. And that simple headline will take us through and say, remember, I am also using bad AI. Let's talk about some simple headline that we can use. Okay, let's see. Viral YouTube hacks. Let's say viral YouTube hacks, and this is my headline. Okay, this is my topic, and it's called viral YouTube hacks. Okay, for YouTube viral hacks, just a minute. YouTube viral hacks is my headline. Okay, I will do this. I'll use the full column here and say create SEO. You need to indicate it as SEO, and you can also add optimized tags. Okay, in this case, we're looking at getting for example, this is our headline, and our headline, our title is viral YouTube hacks as my title, and then I'm commanding bad AI to create SEO optimized tags. Okay, now create optimized tags. So I'll go here, let's dive in and submit. Within less than 10 seconds, you will be able to get your tags, your SEO tags. Okay, it says surfing the YouTube waves with SEO optimized tags. Okay, now they are looking at do your key search research, use a mix of broad and specific keywords. Don't keyword stuff. Use long tail keywords. They are trying to show you on how to do this. Okay, now we need to dive in the real hashtags. Okay, they are use a tag generator. Update your tags over time. Don't use illegal or spammy tags. Remember, there are spammy tags and illegal. And then be patient. It takes time for SEO to work its magic, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep creating great content and using relevant tags, and usually you will start to see your videos climb in the search ranks. Okay, then there are bonus tags. Use your YouTube's auto suggest feature where you are adding tags to your video. This will show you a list of suggested tags that are based on your video title and description. Okay, now we need those tags. For example, okay, we need those tags here. They were giving you guidance, and it's good to learn and understand, guys. It's not just about picking SEO tags, but you need to learn and understand this. Now let's change our command. Okay, let's change our command. I will leave this information here for you to go back if you want to watch the video again. I will say, let me change the command. viral YouTube hacks, create SEO optimized tags for my title. Okay, for my title. Now what I will do, I can even do this, cut this out and come here and put it here. Okay, this shows that I'm changing my command. Create SEO optimized tags for my title, for my YouTube title. We can even include for my YouTube title. Remember, we have different platforms where we do our videos, so you need to be sure of where you need these placed. Okay, so let's get running and let's see how they are going to give us the optimized SEO tags. SEO means search optimization, okay, engine, okay, search engine optimization. So search engine optimization is what we mean by SEO. Now guess what, guys? SEO optimized tags for viral YouTube hacks. Remember, this is my title. Don't take it, guys. This is my title that I chose. You may have your own titles, but even in my other video, please make sure you follow all my other videos. I'm also going to be showing you how to create also titles, how to get suggestion titles, on how even to get on other things, but especially using bad AI. So our primary keywords, these are the primary keywords. You know, we have the primary and the secondary, but they will have the major one. So you choose what you want, but most especially myself, I focused more on primary keywords. You see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, guys, I need to warn you on this. Don't put too many words. Do not put many tags. You know, you may pick this, you may pick this, and you pick everything. No, okay? You may pick this, you may pick this, you may pick, yes, you can choose to pick this. It's okay, the long tail keywords, but make sure your keywords are actually below 15. Don't make it, you know, spammy. When you put more tags that are beyond 15, your video is going to look spammy. So what you do, make sure that these tags are below 15. Okay, they are below 15, and then you come here and say, I'll choose this, I'll do this, and I'll put it here. Since you're using bad AI, I would suggest when you pick them, you come and paste them here. Then after you add this comma, make sure you add commas in your YouTube, because remember, they are separated by commas. So you see Control A and then Control copy, Control C. You're able to bring them and then go to your YouTube channel and drop them at your YouTube channel. So this is how best we get our keywords. And remember, you must make sure that the keywords are less than 15. And I emphasize, keywords must be less than 15. Don't go beyond that. If you put 5, 6, 7, it's all right. Here you're given different keywords, your tail words, you're given tail words. If you want the keywords, they are there. And if you want the additional ones, you are also given. So thank you so much, guys. It's a pleasure, and thank you for learning. And watch my next video where I am going to be showing you on how to get the title. Remember, I used the title, but I'm going to show you on how best to use to get the right titles for your videos. Thank you.